to my channel. Today we're going to be making an apple crumble pie. This is for the crust, and this is for the filling. For the crust, we'll need 2 cups of oatmeal, and it's raw. We just need to cook it. Half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of melted butter, 2 cups of flour, and then for the filling, inside this little cup, we have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. For the cinnamon, we have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 7 green apples. It can also be red or whatever type you buy. 1 cup of water. It doesn't have to be 1 cup exactly, it can be just around it. Half a cup of brown sugar. And that's all of that. And then I'm gonna just clean this in 3, 2, 1. So now that I've got all of the stuff off the table, and we only have the stuff for the crust, we're gonna mix the oatmeal inside here, then the brown sugar inside here, and then we have to mix this into here. This is gonna, and then we have to mix it with our hands. That's the thing that I'm worried about because I'm gonna probably spill. That sound, I love the sound. This is gonna overflow. Yeah, that feels weird. This is the thing that I spill on the most because I make this with my mom a lot. Well, not a lot. My mom usually makes it, and I'm just like there watching. I'm gonna do it over here. Ew, it looks weird, but it tastes so good. And also, if you like your stuff a bit more, like, if you like it more sugary and more, because ours doesn't have a lot of sugar. If you like yours more sugary, then I would recommend adding like a bit more of sugar. Ew, this feels so weird. So I'm gonna get my pie pan here in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now I got my big spoon. I have to just grab it. I have to just use about half, like here, and then the bottom part would be for the top. Now, like the pie crust. This is my favorite part. Make the filling and set this to the side. I'm actually gonna just teleport it. So now with my magic powers, we have separated the apples and we have separated the peels and the cores. This is gonna be turned into apple juice. So now what we have to do with the cut and peeled apples is you pour in the brown sugar, then the cinnamon, and then the water. Then we have to put it onto the stove for 15 minutes on medium low. While you do it, you have to stir it with a big spoon. We have to press down and then we have to turn it. So now it's on medium low. See? Now we just have to mix it. It comes out delicious. And put on a timer for 15 minutes. Once almost everything is mixed, leave it for about 5 minutes and come back to mix again every single 3 to 5 minutes for about like 3 times, maybe 4. If you want it to cook faster, then you have to put its tap on top. But you have to always make sure that you spin it, or else the apples on the bottom will burn. And nobody likes burnt apples. So now that our apples are done, we are gonna use this cool tool right here. Look, it has to have holes because you don't want the juice to get in, because we're gonna mix it with cornstarch after. So now we got half a cup of water inside a cup. We're gonna pour in the cornstarch. We're actually gonna plop it in because it comes out in about 1 piece. There's still some inside, but that doesn't matter. Do you know that if you mix some cornstarch in the water, like not a lot, like about a little packet of this, like that, and you punch it, then it's a solid. But if you put your hand in, then it's a liquid. It's like a kinetic sand, but it's like a liquid and solid. Now it just looks like milk. Okay. Now I'm gonna pour this in. That looks weird now. Now I'm gonna mix without burning myself. Liquid, but just a bit like more solid, I'm gonna pour it in. Quickly, in different places. So now I will sprinkle this onto a thing that I'll call Canada, because it'll turn into snow. See, look, Canada. We have the pie. Look at it. It is beautiful. Now, I'll first open up the oven. Always keep your head away from the oven. And when you take it out, take it off the rack with, and my hand slipped. I want to see if I am gonna do this. Slip in. Yes, I did it. Now we're gonna cook it, or we're actually gonna bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, or until it's golden brown. Gonna put the timer, 30. Timer's going. So when it has finished baking, we broiled it. That's a little button on here for the upper oven cool down if you like it like warm, like room temperature. So ours has done that. I'm gonna have some pie. That's good, but it's still hot. I like this so much. My creations are amazing. 10 out of 10. So that's how you make an apple crumble pie. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.